Hi, this is Christian again from Contort Distort. In this video, I'll be going over some of the sound design techniques that went into creating some of the sounds in Metaphysical Fabrications. Let's take a look at preset 26, Flutterstrum. This was made with a Mini Brute analog synth. And that's what the sample sounds like on its own. Let's take a quick look at what goes into this sound. If I remove the sample by lowering its volume, the sound goes away completely. That's because we're in A times B mode. That means that channel A is being ring modulated by channel B. Since ring modulation is a multiplication function, and we have channel B at maximum volume of 1, and channel A is at a minimum volume of 0, 1 times 0 equaling 0, therefore we have no volume. If we want to listen to channel B on its own, we have to go into A plus B mode, which just mixes the two channels together. So now we just hear channel B, which sounds pretty different, as it's just a Geiger impulse generator. If we listen to channel A on its own, that sounds pretty different as we're just hearing the sample on its own. If we bring the mix type back to ring mod A times B, we can hear the volume of the sampler source A and source B are dependent on each other in order to be heard. Not only are we getting a radically different behavior in the amplitude domain, we get a different behavior in the frequency domain as well. Ring modulation adds positive and negative sidebands, giving us a richer and fuller sound. A few more things to note here. The cutoff and resonance alters the character or color of the impulse. Also, the distortion not only gives us more gain, but also provides another level of character. The resochord provides body and depth to the instrument. Now, take a look at this sine generator. It's tuned to a low frequency, acting as an LFO here. The slider automation brings up the volume of the LFO just a little bit for just a moment, allowing the LFO to let in the sample for just a small amount of time. If you want to alter the rate of the Geiger impulses, try playing around with this knob. If you want to alter the regularity of the impulses, try playing around with this knob. So, these are some of the sound design techniques that you'll see in a lot of the sound design for Metaphysical Fabrications. In the next video, we'll be checking out some more of the sound design techniques. Thanks for joining me. Again, for more details, visit my website, contortdistort.com, and follow me on Facebook and Twitter at ContortDistort. Take care.